Now let's see some of the examples through which we can draw ellipse. The various methods through which the ellipse can be drawn are by concentric circle method. Problem number 1. Draw ellipse by concentric circle method. Take major axis 100 mm and minor axis 70 mm long.
See, we are referring a problem to draw an ellipse by concentric circle method. First step, we'll draw both the axes as perpendicular bisector of each other and name the ends as shown in the figure. You can see these are the axes as a perpendicular bisectors AB and CD. We will take AB as 100 mm long. We will take CD as 70 mm long. Taking the intersecting point as a center, now we will draw two concentric circles, considering both as a respective diameters. This is the concentric circle which has been drawn for the minor axis. This is the another concentric circle to the first one, which is drawn by taking the diameter as a major axis. Now what we'll do, we'll divide both the circles in 12 equal parts and name as shown in the figure. You can see the concentric circles have been divided into 12 equal parts, and the naming is done accordingly, beginning from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ending up to point A. Now from all the points of outer circle, what we'll do, we'll draw a vertical lines downward and upward respectively. Inner circle has been named as the same which has been noted for the outer circle. You can see these are the vertical lines which have been drawn downwards from point 1, 2, 4, 5. From 6 we will draw a line vertically upward. This is vertically upward, we drawn from 10, 9. This will be drawn upward from 7 and last one will be 6. Now what we'll do, from all the points of the inner circle, we will draw a horizontal line to intersect those vertical lines which have been drawn by us. This is the horizontal line which has been drawn from the point 1. We get an intersecting point over here. Similarly, you repeat the procedure for number of points, that is 12, since we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. Now marking all the intersecting points properly as shown, the points which will be developed, these are the intersecting points. If we connect all the intersecting points with the end of both axes in a smooth possible curve, we get a required ellipse. You can use a French curve to connect all the points, and this is our required ellipse by concentric circle method. Now we will draw the ellipse by second method, that is a rectangular method. The dimensions are we have taken as same as taken in the previous method. We'll draw an ellipse by rectangular method. We'll take the major axis as 100 mm and minor axis as 70 mm long. Say we have to draw an ellipse by rectangular method by taking 100 mm and 70 mm as a minor axis. We'll draw a rectangle. For construction, we'll select the upper left part of the rectangle. We will divide the vertical small side and horizontal long side in same number of equal parts. Let us divide it in 4 equal parts. See, I have divided into 4 equal parts. The horizontal line also will be divided into 4 equal parts and name them as shown in the figure. Now what we'll do? We'll join all the vertical points 1, 2, 3, 4 to the upper end of the minor axis and all the horizontal points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the lower end of the minor axis. Now what we'll do? We'll make an extension of C1 line up to D1 and mark that point. Similarly, we'll extend C to 2, C3, C4 lines up to D2, D3 and D4 lines. Now we'll mark all the points properly and join all along with the ends A and D in a smooth possible curve. See, we have done the ellipse by rectangular method. We have taken the one of the upper corner of a rectangle was taken for that. That was the upper left part of a rectangle. Similarly, you do the construction in the right side part along with the lower half of the rectangle. Join all the points by a smooth curve. This is the required ellipse. See how it happens. Now what we'll do, we'll just copy the upper part of the ellipse and this is our required figure. See, many of the universities specify to draw an ellipse by the various method. It might be concentric circle method or it might be a rectangle method. So if otherwise specified, you can draw the ellipse by any of these two methods.